Today we are looking at garlic ramen. This no-meat ramen is inspired by the anime Next Gen Evangelion. Let's dive in. Start off by dicing up a leek. Cut vertically then across. Simple, the exact opposite of Japanese society. Peel up a little knob of ginger. Then dice. Small chops for our ginger. Done. Slice up half of the garlic and grate up the rest. Dice up the Chinese chives. All of the chives. Cut with the Naruto, not the Naruto. And prep them. Heat up oil in the pan. And cook off the garlic. Be careful not to burn the garlic like I did. Now we are gonna sweat off the leeks and ginger. Mix the mix. Now you got a nice smell wafting through the house. Add into the soup pot your fragrant leeks. We are going to make the soup. In goes 5 ml of soy milk and put on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of Weiba Chinese stock, tablespoon of miso, soy sauce, mirin, sake and water. Mix the mix. Add in more water and bring to the boil. Time for noods. Add in your ramen noods. Shake and wiggle until cooked to your liking. I like my noods head. Take that how you like. Everything is ready. In goes the noods and the soup. Now it's time for the topping. Garlic, chives, Naruto, maybe 2, ginger pickles, marinated eggs, important egg placing time, and Nori seaweed. Slide those balls in. The prettiest ramen, thumbnail time. Today's drink is cassis orange horoi. This tastes like fruit tingles. Amazing. Taste time. Itadakimasu. Oishii. This tastes exactly like pork broth, but it's so light. It's not oily at all and packed with flavor. This is great for vegans and vegetarians. With a few adjustments, change these toppings to your liking. I added lots of chives as I went. I'm going to finish this in another bowl. Hope you have a go. Till next time.